It don't matter where we go, it don't matter where we stay tonight. Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. It don't matter what we say.
Well, hello everybody, welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today.
I'm with you.
So today I'm showcasing a very spacious 2-bedroom apartment. It's among the few spacious houses I've seen so far since I started doing house content videos. So it has a very big bedroom, has a very big sitting room. Especially I love this sitting room because it's very, very spacious. Enjoy the video and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. This is how the house will be showcasing today looks like. All the houses on the building are 2-bedroom house, but the only difference is some are much bigger than the other ones, and the price is also different.
It don't matter where we go,
Due to the size of the house. So this is the house, the first house I'm going to start with, and I hope you're going to enjoy this video. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
alright.
So let's start with this kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen is just directly opposite to the sitting room, and on this other side we have the laundry area. So this is how you go to the laundry area. So the whole of this is laundry area where you can just wash your clothes and just do cleaning in general. So when you go back to the kitchen, there is this cabinet here. I'm not sure what this one is used for, but you have cabinets on top and you also have this one at the bottom. This is the view of the outside from the kitchen window. So this is the living area. You can see how big it is. I'm going to come back to it after I go to these other rooms. So let's go to this master bedroom over here. The master bedroom has its own balcony. So the difference between this house and maybe one of the other houses on this building is that the master bedroom has a balcony and the other one does not have a balcony. As you can see, the master bedroom is also big. So this one is also spacious. At the end here is where you take your shower, and at the start here is where you go to the loo. So you have a double switch in your bedroom. So this is the second bedroom. If you compare the two, the master bedroom is much bigger than the second bedroom, and this one does not have a balcony. So right here are your wardrobes, the second bedroom's wardrobe, and it's just as spacious as the first bedroom. So this is the common washroom. So at the end here is where you take your shower, and at the beginning is where the loo is located. The toilet is located. So right here is the sink. On top of it is a mirror, toilet mirror. So let me just showcase generally how the house looks like before we can go to the second house on the same building, which is also a 2-bedroom, so that you can compare the two. This is the living room. As you can see, it's very spacious, as I had said. So right here you have the window, the sitting room window. Directly opposite is the kitchen before you go to this other side where the bedroom and the other stuff are. So let me just showcase how it looks like before we can go to the second house, which is also a 2-bedroom. We are headed to the second house, and this is the second house I'm showcasing today. So when you enter, I think the design is almost the same as the first one I've showcased. The difference between the first one and this second one is the master bedroom of the first one is much bigger, and the master bedroom of the first one has a balcony. This one does not have a balcony, but they are both master and suite. So let's have a look at this. At the end here is where you take your shower, and the middle here directly opposite the door is where the toilet is. So on that other end is your mirror and the sink, and where you can hang your stuff. Another difference between this house and the other one is that this one at the kitchen you have this opening over here that connects to the sitting room, and the other one did not have that opening. It had a door that separates the kitchen and the sitting room. So this one also has a laundry area that is just directly opposite to the kitchen, and you have cabinets on top here. So here we have the common washroom. It has been built exactly the same as the one in the master bedroom. I almost got confused, forgetting that I had not showcased it.
It don't matter where we go, it don't matter where we stay tonight, 'cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. It don't matter what we say, it don't matter how we make things right, 'cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. When
the parking space of this building. So details about this video is going to be in the description box, the number that you should call, the price of the house, and don't forget to like, share and comment. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.
It don't matter where we go. It don't matter if we lose it all. 'Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I am.